currently. 36 hours, no power, and let's try this.
Dude, no, we're at 48 hours.
Standing in my kitchen with the fireplace on, and you see my breath indoors. This is the best improvement. A little bit paranoid about it, but that is an indoor rated camping heater, but I do have the propane tank outside and I have a carbon monoxide heater or detector. Fireplace is obviously on. And then this is probably the biggest improvement is actually this bubble wrap. And where I ran out of bubble wrap, I got cardboard. So that's keeping us very well insulated. You can see Penny is dressed in press in her pumpkin outfit, but keeping her warm. Jose is all curled up as well. We now have a temperature of 63 degrees in my house. So it's the little things. I am like incredibly excited to see that. So ceiling level, not as warm, but here in front of the fireplace at least, which is where I'll sleep tonight. 3 days, no power, house is trashed. It's looking apocalyptic. Got everything insulated, even have a curtain draped leading to my dining room just to keep this warm air in, but hey, we're adapting. We're surviving. Right, Remy?
Still clean.
No, no, no.
What?
It's happening again.